How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to repair a damaged metabolism. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what causes a damaged metabolism? A damaged metabolism is caused by starvation diets or losing weight too rapidly. I myself have had experienced this numerous times when I have tried cutting weight. Take my word on it that you don't want this to happen to you. So the best way to prevent a damaged metabolism is to do your cutting cycle slowly. Give it plenty of time and you won't have a damaged metabolism. So how can we repair a damaged metabolism if we already have one? Tip number 1. Eat smaller meals. Instead of having 2 or 3 big meals, have 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. Tip number 2 is eat every 2 to 3 hours. By eating more often, you will speed up your metabolism. Tip number 3, start lifting weights. By starting on a resistance training program, you will repair your damaged metabolism and speed it up. I recommend weight training at least 3 times a week. Tip number 4, start doing cardiovascular exercises. By doing more cardio, you will naturally burn more food. This will cause you to eat more food. Make sure that when you do eat more, you don't want to be doing too much cardio and not eating. So again, you want to eat more, but you don't want to be doing too much cardio and not eating enough. So again, this will damage your metabolism more because again, it's all about calories in versus calories out. If you start eating more, but then you start doing way more cardio, you're still going to be in a deficit. You don't want that. When you're eating more, when you're doing your cardiovascular exercise, it's going to bump up your calories and then you're going to burn more food. But once you start burning more food, make sure you're eating more food as well. You don't want to be doing more and not eating enough. So again, by eating more or doing more cardio, it's going to increase your metabolism. And again, do that and it will help you guys out. Tip number 5, get your sleep. Make sure to get at least 8 hours of sleep per day. If you're not sleeping enough, then your metabolism won't be functioning at its best. Now, people ask me all the time, how much sleep do you actually need? Around 7 to 8 hours per night is probably pretty safe. Yes, people can get away with 6 hours. Me, myself, I love 9 to 10 hours of sleep. Before I tried 5 hours, 6 hours, it wasn't enough for me. I wasn't recovering. 8 to 10 hours for me is the perfect sweet spot. Generally on the weekends, I'll sleep longer, 9, 10 hours. On the weekdays, I'll sleep about 8 hours. So it all depends on what you're doing, how run down your body is, if you're getting sick, everything. It all depends. Tip number 6, proper hydration. Our bodies are made up of 70% water, so make sure that you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share. Thanks again, everyone.